Busy little beavers, the Princess Parrots. The babies are almost the size of the adults, so I've got to be careful. So this is Titan, this is Daddy, Big Popper. Looking for Keshet right now. This is Keshet the mama, and this is the baby just jumped in front. That's another baby down there.
Oh, look at their tails already. And
where's baby Blue? There's baby Blue over there. All very busy. Evelyn's just put fresh food in there. As you can see, there's seed spray, spinach, carrot, broccolini, corn. This is a baby eating the corn. That's Titan in the back. Look at the length of his tail if you can see it in this video.
The baby's long too.
And here we've got the two babies over here.
Yeah, that's Keshet up the top in the spray.
Is that Keshet up the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and over here we've got Kingy. Hello, Kingy. Yes, we'll feed you in a moment. We'll just finish with these boys and girls. And because I'm going to Sydney next week, and these youngsters are at an age where we're going to have to look at separating them and try to pass them on to someone. Beautiful pets, Princess Parrots. Very easy to deal with. Very gentle, yes. So we will pull out another cage next day or two, pull the babies out and put them in there so that they're separated from the parents. Don't want any issues developing while I'm away. They'll be next to each other, but they won't be in together. It's Titan in the back. So this is one of the reasons we need to separate them, is that the babies have virtually taken over and the parents don't get a look in. And the adults can become aggressive after a bit.
More the father.
Yeah, that's Titan around the back there. Okay, so that's that. And that's Kingy. He's not going to come down to me. He won't come down.